Today we're going to be making pom-pom animals like these ones. All you'll be needing is a piece of cardboard, something to trace around, 2 pens, I just want one to back up, some scissors and wool of your choice, and some felt if you want to make a face, and a hot glue gun. So first up, we're going to take these two and we have to trace them with a Sharpie. Move these out of the way. Perfect. I need to get the other one. There we go. Now you need to cut it out. You might need an adult to cut out the hole, because I did, and it should look like a donut by now. So now we're going to trace around it. Right, now we need to cut it. With scissors. If you need an adult to get it perfect, you can. As before, I needed an adult to help, so now I've got 2 donuts. So now I'm going to pick out my wool. I think I'm going to go for the rainbow one. So all you have to do is you have to put it through and just kind of tuck it in and make your first little starter bit. The two donuts are together and I'm wrapping the wool around it. Keep going round until the cardboard is full and there's no hole in the middle. It can take quite a while, but you have to keep going. Now I'm going to cut off a bit of wool. And it has to be quite long so you can fit it right. So now we have to cut it. And you're cutting around the edge of the cardboard like this. You might need an adult to help you finish with the cutting. So see the little gap in between there, you're going to take the thread that we cut from earlier and just pop that through there and tie it really tightly. You can do double knot if you want. The next stage is to cut off the cardboard, so I'm going to ask my adult to help me. Be careful not to cut this wee bit, which is right there. So now this big moment, we're going to take the cardboard off. So all you have to do is just pull it off. And there's your pom-pom. And now you might want to give it a bit of a haircut, so let's take it to the hairdressers. It has a lot of hair. The pom-pom can be anything what you like. It could be a pom-pom animal, or it could just be a pom-pom. I'm going to turn mine into a pom-pom animal. Sorry, I realised I really wanted white eyes, so I have to use white paper. So let's start drawing the eyes. Now I'm going to cut the bag to be super careful. Next, we're going to cut out the beak. Like this. I got an adult to help because hot glue guns are really hot. So I'm going to put her with her husband. Thanks for watching.
Why don't you keep your artwork forever in your very own digital portfolio in the Artebula app? This way, you can see how much you've improved. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.